Finny. Hi, Matthias. Hi, Mutt. Are you having a good morning? Matthias! They're silly. Emmy Floofy! You awake? A floofla! Emmy! Hi, Floof! Hi, Floof! Oh, back in. Okay. Floofy! Hi, Floofy! Hi, good morning. Good morning, Sophie. Good morning. Good morning, Jack. You spilled your water. Good morning. As you see, not everybody went to bed last night because they didn't all come out. Saveafox! Hi, buddy! Hey! Hi! Hey, buddy! Good morning! Are you excited this morning, huh? Hi, Jagger. Hello. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You didn't go to bed. Where were you? Yay, Jagger Fox! Big zoom! You do the big zooms, huh? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy, huh? How about you? Are you a good boy? Should I get you? I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Go, go, go! Oh, go down the slide. Oh, that didn't do much. Hi! Hi! You wanna play? I don't know where your toys are. They're buried in snow. I'll just have to play the get you game. I get you! I get you! I get you! Get you! Get you! I'm gonna get you! Get you! Get you! You're playing the Finnegan move, huh? I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Come on, Luca! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Yeah! Where'd you go? There snow is not easy to run through. Hi! Getcha! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Jake are still having a ball. Alright, I'm gonna go get Saveafox, okay? Look how pretty all the trees are. Jager! Look at the pretty trees! Yeah! Come here! Oh, I'm not gonna be doing that much running through the snow. This is deep snow. And Luca's following me, so Jager's probably not gonna participate. You just want me to play with you, huh? You just want me to play with you? Or not. Hi, Dixie! Hi! You like the snow day? Huh? You like the snow day? Yeah, Dixie do! Oh my gosh, yeah, look at all that snow. Go, 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 go! Go, go! Hi, Matthias! Hi, Mutt-Mutt! Hi, Fergie! That's a lot of snow to come outside in. Yeah? Hi, Finny. What do you have there? Found a piece of deer meat? He's gonna carry that around. Very proud for who knows how long. Finny, are you proudly carrying around your deer meat? Aw, it's love. Esme, you playing chase game, huh?